Good morning to all. I welcome you all to this didactic program, Thirukkuralodu Naam, attending in fact with a noble desire to reach the seat of grace in life by practicing the ethical values of Thiruvalluvvar.
Couplet number 726. Chapter Not to Dread the Council. Varadarasan was born at Nandipuram near Kumbakonam. He was a versatile person in poem writing and he would sing poems like a mountain. So he was affectionately called as Kalamega poet. He went to meet a provincial king by name Thirumalairayan. One Adimadura Kavi was a poet in the court of Thirumalairayan. He asked Kalamega poet who he was, as if he did not know who he was and thereby insulted him. Kalamega poet gave him an answer through a poem. So the poet asked Thirumalairayan to invite Kalamega poet to sing Yamagandam. What is Yamagandam? There will be a deep pit of 16 feet length and breadth. In the pit, a big container with ghee will be put up and will be lit. Above it, there will be a wooden piece, and he should stand and answer poets who will assemble in front of him at all corners. If he could not answer, he will be pushed into the fire. Kalamega poet did not get afraid of facing the challenge and he took it up. The other poets asked several questions and he answered them. At last, Adimadurakavi poet asked him to sing about the Thirumal's Dasavadaram in one Venba poem. He told that he did not need a full verse of Venba and that he would do so with half of it. Saying this, Kalamegam completed the poem. The purpose of learning is to face challenges without getting afraid of challenges. A person without a strong mind is of no use despite a war knife in his possession. Our Saint Tamil poet Thiruvalluvvar explains about this in Thirukkural as follows. வாளுடன் வன்கணர் அல்லார்க்கு நூலுடன் நுண்ணவை அஞ்சுபவர்க்கு. I recite. வாளுடன் வன்கணர் அல்லார்க்கு நூலுடன் நுண்ணவை அஞ்சுபவர்க்கு. Let us hold this word for war. Let us hold the book for learn gathering. Thank you very much indeed. Nandri, Vanakkam.